Hello everyone, welcome back to Leytenia'S Kitchenette. Today I'm going to have a fresh salad, a mix of tomatoes. This is a sliced tomatoes. This is a sliced boiled eggs with kiwi fruit, sliced cheese, look here, and this is a sliced apple. I have here a yogurt. I'm going to use this one as a dressing for my salad. I have here white beans. Look at this, Wise Rice and Bonin. This is a product of King's Crown from Germany. Yeah, this is from Germany. So we will mix these beans. So look at here. So we will mix them all together with tomatoes, with cheese, and apple, and kiwi, and these boiled eggs also. This is a very healthy, yummy diet food. If you want to lose your weight or if you want to maintain your weight, just eat salad every day and add yogurt. This is a fresh yogurt, and use this yogurt as your dressing. So this is a very healthy, yummy diet food, guys. And this is highly recommended if you are diabetic or high blood person. Just eat fresh salad. This is a fresh salad because this is made of fruits with beans and tomatoes. You can add also carrots here, or put mashed potatoes and cucumber. And this is enough for your lunch or for your dinner. So let's start for our mukbang. Bless us, O Lord, and this the gift which you are about to receive from the bounty of Christ, our Lord. Amen. Thank you, Lord, for the food. And let's start for this mukbang. Look at, guys. With beans, with cheese, with kiwi, apple. Yogurt is more recommended than mayonnaise because yogurt is just don't have much fat, no cholesterol, because this is a natural yogurt. Compared to the mayonnaise have more fats because it's a mayonnaise. Kiwi and beans with cheese. Good, guys. So try this one, and this is really very healthy, yummy salad. You can add also sausage for this. Just slice the sausages and mix them in this salad. Apple, tomato, beans, and sliced cheese with yogurt. Very yummy, yummy, guys. So, guys, if you like this salad, just give a thumbs up, leave a comment, share this video, and if you're new to Leytenia'S Kitchenette, just subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with all my new recipes. Try this amazing fresh salad prepared by the Leytenia'S Kitchenette. This is super yummy salad. I'm sure you will love it. So try it.